In this video, we will cover how to adjust the product legend on a DirectCommand configuration on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Start Field Operation button. Select the correct growing season and grower. Select the correct farm and field. Select the correct operating configuration. Select the correct product. Press the green check mark. Acknowledge the warning. Press the Run Screen button. Press the Legend button. Press On the Legend. Press the double-ended wrench. From this screen, we can adjust the average, the spacing between ranges, the number of ranges, the color scheme. We can also activate automatic legend. We can save as product legend, and we can also reset legend. Once these changes have been made, press the green check mark, press the Run Screen button, and as you can see, the changes that we have made to the legend are now present. We have now covered how to adjust the product legend on a DirectCommand configuration on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.